Today, we'll learn how to replace data in Excel using the Search and Replace tool, one of the fastest ways to clean or update your spreadsheet. Let's get started. In my example, I have 1000 rows of data, where under product there are 4 product types: A, B, C, and D. I have converted into table and sorted product A to the top. Let's begin. Step 1. Select the range where you want to search and replace. If you want to apply it to the whole sheet, just click on any cell. Step 2. Press Ctrl+H on your keyboard or Ctrl+F, then click on Replace tab. This opens the Find and Replace dialog box. Step 3. In the Find What box, type the word, number, or character you want to change. Here in my example, I want to replace product A into product Z. So I type here letter A. Step 4. In the Replace With box, type the new value you want it to become. Here I type it as Z. Step 5. Now click Replace to change one by one, or Replace all to change everything in one go. Here I am using Replace All button. Then you can see pop-up window and 248 A's replaced with Z. It's that simple. Irrespective of the size of your sheet, you can replace data within same time. You can even replace spaces, symbols also. Be careful, replace all updates every match in your selection, so double check your data to avoid mistakes. And that's it. Search and replace is a powerful trick to save time, especially when working with large spreadsheets. Thanks for watching how to do. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and smart Excel lessons.